how to use two numbers in one WhatsApp, or how to add multiple numbers in one WhatsApp application. So to do that, you have to first open WhatsApp. Then once you are signed in on your existing account, in order to use another number, you can simply tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And if you have already logged in on multiple accounts on same WhatsApp application, then on this drop down menu box you will find the option of switch account. You simply need to tap on switch account and you can switch to another account, or else you can also tap on the three dots again and tap on settings. And once you reach on the settings page, you can log out this existing account. Let's tap on the username at the top right corner, the arrow you can see. Tap on it. Then you will see the option of add account. Simply tap on it. Once you have done that, you will get access to this add an account page where you need to first select the language of the WhatsApp application and tap on agree and continue. Once you have done that, you have to enter your country's name and country code with the phone number and tap on next button. Then after that, you can easily log into another account and use the another account as well on the same WhatsApp application. The next thing what you can do is you can also use the dual apps or clone application for WhatsApp. For that, you can go to settings and then on the search bar you can search for clone. Once you search for it, you will see the option of app cloner. Open it and then you will see the option of WhatsApp. It has been turned off, so open it and here is the option of create app clone. Simply you need to toggle on the button and create app clone for WhatsApp, and you can easily use two numbers in one WhatsApp, or you can also add multiple numbers in one WhatsApp application using the clone application for WhatsApp. So this is the way we do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates.